couch.
Hello, this is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review on this new 2019 Browning Strikeforce Gen 5 Sub-Micro Series Full HD video. So first off, it does 120 feet night IR illumination, 22 MP pictures. We have SD card support up to 512, and that's not included. We have 1080p Full HD video with sound. This is able to do 10,000 images on 6 AA batteries. Adjustable trigger speed 0.22 to 0.7 seconds. Runs on 6 AA batteries, alkyne or lithium, and that's not included. Flip it over. 22 MP pictures, 120 feet night IR illumination, adjustable IR detective range up to 80 feet. Time-lapse mode plus IR trigger images, 8 rapid fire shots in 2 seconds, 0 blur technology. Flip it on its back. It has more specs about this camera and more about this camera. Alright, we just unboxed this new 2019 Browning Strikeforce Gen 5 camera. So first off, it comes with a strap that's 6 feet long. You got your instructions, got the camera itself. Take this little lever, then pull this out. This little window opens. This displays what kind of camera this is and what model. On the bottom there's a screw. You can put this on the mounts. This is where your batteries go. How you eject the battery little table is you push the little button and then push up a little and it pops right out. Put the batteries in. Make sure you hear a click sound before you hear that click. You're good. Here's a 12 volt. This is your mode. Enter left, right, down, up, on and off. This is your screen. That displays like the screen of how to set it up and the battery life and the videos and all the pictures. On my next review, I'll show you more about that and how that works. So on the side is where your SD card goes. This is where your camera is. This is where your infrared night vision is. This is your motion detector. Go ahead and close it. Make sure it's over. You hear a snap, you're good. Here's where the actual strap goes. And this is where the security cable goes. And that's not included. Here's the back. Here's the top. Here's the side. Here's the bottom. Here's the other side. So far this camera looks great. Look out for my next review on the quick setup. This is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com. Subscribe and like, and leave a comment below.
Blowing up my phone. You don't want to come back.